In this guide, I will show you how to send money using TapTap Send. First, head to your App Store and download the TapTap Send app. Open the TapTap Send app and click on the Sign Up option. Enter your full name and click Next, and input your email address and password and select your country, and enter your phone number and verify using the OTP received. Next, select the country where you want to send money and enter the amount you wish to send. You can view the conversion and exchange rate. Next, use any available promo codes for benefits and click Next to proceed. Allow TapTap Send to access your contacts and create a new recipient or select an existing one. Choose the payout method like bank account and enter the recipient's account details and address. Provide your card information and save it, and input your date of birth. Next, review the transaction details and confirm password for security. Once you confirmed your password, the recipient will receive the money and a copy of the transaction for your records. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.